I'm in the area of Perivolos, and today I'm gonna show you dishes that are originally from Santorini. I will show you a little bit the beach. We have traditional Santorinian dishes. Here we have fried tomatoes, Santorinian salad, fava, and sardine, Cirtico wine.
Hello.
So we are going to start with the fried tomatoes. These tomatoes are from Santorini. Take a look here. Fried tomatoes. Let's try. Then here we have Santorinian salad that have, of course, tomatoes from Santorini, have cucumber, onion, cheese, and capers, and of course bread. Here we have sardines that are from here as well, from the Aegean Sea, with tomato, green onion. And here, my friend, Ilya,
Or Elvis.
Elvis. Elvis. Here we have fava. Ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ, that is made from capers. It's like an hummus. All this originally from Santorini. How is the sardine, Sergio?
Very good.
Sergio also is a tour guide here in the island. He speaks six languages.
Yeah.
How many years in Greece?
15.
Okay, let's go to eat. We have white wine from Santorini. Llamas. This is spicy cheese.
Yes,
Beetroot salad and
Olives. Τέλεια. Ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ, φίλε. Here we have the Vinsanto, Santorinian wine as well. This bottle is from 2012. So let's try it. Llamas. Ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ,
Έγινε.
For more videos about Santorini, subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.